Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Happy Novel. Today I am going to show you how to make cafe style cappuccino at home without any machine. It's a simple recipe and requires only few ingredients. So let's get started. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of coffee powder. 4 tablespoons sugar, 3 tablespoons water, and whisk the mixture for about 4 to 5 minutes. You will notice slowly it becomes thick and change its color. Add few drops of water and whisk again. See how it becomes light and fluffy. Take 1 cup of milk and microwave it for 2 minutes, or you can also boil it on stove. Add 2 tablespoons of whisked coffee and mix well. Yummy coffee is ready to enjoy. For watching, please like and comment and subscribe to my channel.